Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to lock rotation now so the display stops turning. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, then tap the padlock with the circular arrow to enable orientation lock. Once done, look for the padlock icon in the status area to confirm it's active. If you need rotation again, return and tap it off. Make sure to test in an app that previously rotated to verify the lock is holding before moving on. Next, verify system settings that affect rotation. Go to Settings General, and if your iPad has a side switch, set it to lock rotation so the physical switch matches Control Center behavior. Then open Settings Display and Brightness and ensure view is on standard rather than zoomed, because display zoom can change home screen rotation behavior. If you don't have a side switch, enable Assistive Touch under Accessibility to add a virtual orientation lock shortcut. Test again in Landscape and Portrait to confirm. Finish by updating and, if needed, resetting settings. Install any iPad OS updates under Settings General Software Update because software fixes often resolve rotation bugs. If the problem persists, try Settings General Transfer or Reset All Settings. This preserves data but clears system settings that could block rotation. Force restart the device to recalibrate sensors. If rotation still won't change, the accelerometer may be faulty. Contact Apple support or a technician for hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.